Hey there guys, my name is Chloe Klingman and welcome back to my Zodiac gifts. So this month we are going to bring you to Leo. So let's go ahead for some gifts. Crystal surprise. Nope. Pinky promise. The Jimmy friends. I wanted the surprises to both to get. Wow, nicely gems. One of the names are supposed to be anyways. But let's see, it's on the box this time. For the cupcakes, I pick Dobby. For the strawberry ones, I wonder the surprise you'll get. Is this a bag for the surprise? We got Donatella. Let's see. This person. And Anna. What about that? Oh, Claudine. Oh, we got Sunny Sue. And that's Eloise. Well, that's definitely that one. Next one. Okay, here's the next one for the surprise. It's a Disney surprise stamper set. Which one? I know it's a Minnie Mouse one. I wonder it's supposed to be an astrology character this time, Hooray! You got Mickey Mouse stamper. And Mickey Mouse's gloves. Go for a handful. Large print word search. Volume 155. So that's gotta be a new one, huh? Barbie sticker by number. Which is the second anniversary of the Barbie movie. Say that again, Look, it's Mickey Mouse. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. I wonder the figurine is supposed to be anyways. I know what they say, Oh boy, we got Mickey Mouse. And it's a good training too. I wonder, let's see, he's gonna be anyways. Well, that's Mickey Mouse. And it's a good fella too, Well, there's no untying about that. A Disney's Christmas Carol. But it's part of the Disney Legacy Collection, and a few others. I wish it'll be coming on Sky this time, on November 2025. Percy Jackson double feature. The Lightning Thief and Sea of Monsters. Oh look, Spooky Books, which is Costume Cuties and Boo-tiful. It's Dogman Unleash, one of Mixopolis Noble's favorite books. Alright, guys, we're here for this one for now. So let's hear for this one. That's epically awesome to do this. Holy smokes! That's got lots of things to do that. Crayola Swirl Crayons. Crayola Swirl Crayons contains hidden specks of color swirled for a surprising striky effect, huh? Oh my swirls. We got Nickelodeon Stimpy J Cat from Ren and Stimpy. Taylor Swift Word Search and Color. Oh look, 2 Elf Pets books. DVDs. Elf Pets, A Fox Cub's Christmas Tale. Elf Pets, Santa's Reindeer Rescue. I wonder what the one of Mixopolis Noble's favorite shows, like Pokemon Horizons, but let's give it up for Pokemon Scarlet and Pokemon Violet, which is the poster inside. Stats and facts for on 400 Pokemon in this Paldea region. Welcome to the Paldea region. This is your A to Z guide to the Pokemon you encountered in this cool new region, from Enthape and Vaxialabor to Wugtriel and Zelius. This book has everything you need to know. It's an ultimate guide to a newly discovered Pokemon. One of those Pokemon is a Jigglypuff. I wonder the Jigglypuff will appear on Sky in the Pixar edition. Care Bears 1500 sticker book. It's filled with 1500 stickers? Well, let's give you for 43 sticker sheets. That figures me out. What do we got? The Croods Ultimate Collection. From the Croods movie to the complete series of Dawn of the Croods. Spend over 20 hours with the funniest family in prehistoric with the Croods Ultimate Collection. Join Grug, Eep, Guy, and the rest of the Croods in this original blockbuster film where they set out on an epic journey after their cave is destroyed. Then, see how it all began with all 4 seasons of the Dawn of the Croods TV series in which the beloved family explores the world filled with adventures, exotic creatures, and natural worlds. The bonus features include Belt's Cave Journal and Croods Cuts. And finally, wow, Nickelodeon 5-minute girl power stories. Are you ready for heroic quests and fantastic friendships with the Paw Patrol, Shimmer and Shine, Nella the Princess Knight, Sunny Day, Dora the Explorer, Butterbean's Cafe, Top Wing, and the Bubble Guppies? In this collection, you'll find exciting stories about defeating evil villains, reuniting your family of whales, saving a plane in flight, and much, much more. Each story can be read aloud in about 5 minutes, idle for bedtime. Well, I think my work here is done. So, the next horoscopic sign is gonna be Virgo. Go girl power. So, on top of that, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.